Good day everyone. So in case you need another platform that can help you to create the specific music, let's say for your content creation guys. So in this video I'm gonna share you that platform. And also this platform still linked or still from the Google product. And the name would be the flowmusic.app. And to access it as usual, you need to do the login with the Google Mail, and this gonna be the look of the home page. And as you can see, there are a lot of catchphrases like create the hook you imagine and also create vocals you imagine. A lot of stuff that will be offered to you using this Flow Music app. So let's try to create the simple music over here. And for example, since in this or recently there are a lot of spreading information about the aliens file that has been released from the government, and also the pro and cons. What if we try to create it but into the different way by creating the music? For example, you can put your simple prompt into this section, the as producer. For example, like this, I want to create the music particularly about the ambience music sound that sounds magical and also suitable for the Milky Way, sky and space content, and particularly in my Instagram account. Just need to try from the simple one like this, and after that you can generate it. And after waiting for a while, this gonna be the result. And surprisingly, this flow music will create you two samples of music. You can start to hear it out. And as you can see, each of the music over here has the duration more than 2 minutes, but not until 3 minutes, guys. So that's kind of long music ambience actually. Beautiful. And in case if you'd like to download this two or this both music, so you can go to these three dots and navigate to the download, and you can start to download it into the video, let's say, or MP4, MP3 or WAV, which one do you prefer? For example, I will select this MP3, and after that this MP3 gonna be yours, guys. And in case you would like to do the revision or add something into this music, for example, like more sparkling texture, and let this Flow Music app work for you. And apparently this Flow Music only do the revision to add more sparkling texture for the Milky Way magic like this, guys. And if you would like to click this one, this will give you like the UI from the specific music player, and if you like it, then you can play this. And even you can start to publish it. And where the people can see the music that we have published, guys. So you can go to this new session, and you can simply scroll down, and after that you will find over here a lot of music that has been created by another people or another user from this Flow Music app. Isn't that cool, right? So don't forget to try this Flow Music app to create your own music and also get more inspiration to create the masterpiece on your own. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.